Let's take a look at the newsfeed. Newsfeed has been designed to make it incredibly easy for you to share rich media content about updates with your staff. Let's show you how to use these features and jump across to the demo platform. You can see here that the newsfeed is not activated. To activate it, the administrator simply clicks to the admin panel, down into settings, scroll down a little way to here, and switch on the feature News widget. You'll notice that News has now appeared here as a new menu item. To create a new widget, select Create New Widget. We're going to come and edit this feed. And step 1, we're invited to choose the layout. So here we have image or video on the right, image or video on the left, image or video at both ends, or you can put HTML content straight in. Select the layout, and then step 2, we begin to add the content. You can see here that we can format how things look. So I'm going to make this header 2. Give that some color. We can do some other interesting things. We can format the layup of the text, the justification. You can insert hypertext links that will open up in new pages. You can insert rich media. Here you can embed a general source, embed an iframe, which we've done in the Crew 2 demo. And then when we're satisfied with this, we just select next step, and then we'll update the widget. By jumping back to the learner's dashboard, we can see our updated widget here. Thank you for watching.